Is there a way to delete created variables, functions, etc. from the memory of the interpreter? I've been searching for the accurate answer to this question for a couple of days now but haven't got anything good. I'm not a complete beginner in programming, but not yet even on the intermediate level. When I'm in the shell of Python, I type dir and I can see all the names of all the objects in the current scope, main block. There are 6 of them. Then, when I'm declaring a variable, for example x equals 10, it automatically adds to that list of objects under built-in module dir, and when I type dir again, it shows now. The same goes for functions, classes and so on. How do I delete all those new objects without erasing the standard 6 which were available at the beginning? I've read here about memory cleaning of the console, which erases all the text from the command prompt window. But all this has nothing to do with what I'm trying to achieve. It doesn't clean out all used objects.
You can delete individual names with del. Or you can remove them from the globals object. This is just an example loop. It defensively only deletes names that do not start with an underscore, making a, not unreason, assumption that you only use names without an underscore at the start in your interpreter. You could use a hard-coded list of names to keep instead. Whitelisting, if you really wanted to be thorough. There's no built-in function to do the clearing for you, other than just exit and restart the interpreter. Modules you've imported, import os, are going to remain imported because they are referenced by sys.modules. Subsequent imports will reuse the already imported module object. You just won't have a reference to them in your current global namespace. Python doesn't make any security guarantees about data and memory however. When objects no longer are referenced, the interpreter marks the memory as no longer in use but does not take steps to overwrite that memory to prevent access to data. If you need that level of security protection, you'll need to use third-party extensions that manage their own memory with security in mind.
Yes. There is a simple way to remove everything in IPython. In IPython console, just type. Then system will ask you to confirm. Press Y. If you don't want to see this prompt, simply type. This should work.
You can use Python garbage collector. If you are in an interactive environment like Jupyter or IPython, you might be interested in clearing unwanted vars if they are getting heavy. The magic commands reset and reset_selective is available on interactive Python sessions like IPython and Jupyter. 1. Reset. Reset resets the namespace by removing all names defined by the user, if called without arguments. In and the out parameters specify whether you want to flush the in/out caches. The directory history is flushed with the dhist parameter. Another interesting one is array that only removes numpy arrays. 2. Reset_selective. Resets the namespace by removing names defined by the user. Input/output history are left around in case you need them. Clean array example. Source, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.